Hello and welcome to Harmony in Health. Have you ever wondered what makes olive oil so special, not just in the kitchen, but also in your beauty routine? In this video, you will be learning about the moisturizing properties of olive oil, how olive oil fights aging, and how you can use it to promote hair growth, soothe scalp issues and sunburn. So let us begin. Olive oil, often called liquid gold, is packed with goodness, not only for your health, but also for your skin and hair. First off, olive oil is a fantastic moisturizer. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help keep the skin hydrated and fight off dryness. At the heart of olive oil's moisturizing properties is vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in protecting skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation. But that's not all. Vitamin E is renowned for its ability to strengthen the skin's barrier, trapping moisture inside to keep skin soft and supple. It also helps to repair and regenerate damaged skin cells. When applied to sunburned areas, olive oil provides a gentle, moisturizing effect that can alleviate dryness and peeling associated with sunburn, while its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and inflammation. However, it's important to note that olive oil should be used with caution on sunburns, ideally after the initial heat and acute inflammation have subsided, to avoid trapping heat in the skin. Integrating olive oil into your post-sunburn care, along with proper hydration and the use of aloe vera, can aid in the healing process, restoring your skin's natural moisture barrier and promoting faster recovery from sun damage. Vitamin K in olive oil might not get as much spotlight as vitamin E, but it's equally important for skin health. It's known for its role in the healing process and in improving skin elasticity. While vitamin K doesn't moisturize the skin directly, it supports the skin's natural barrier, which is essential for retaining moisture. Healthy skin is hydrated skin, and vitamin K in olive oil plays a supportive role in maintaining that hydration. It's impossible to talk about olive oil's moisturizing benefits without mentioning its rich content of fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. These fatty acids complement the moisturizing action of vitamins by reinforcing the skin's lipid barrier, which locks in moisture and keeps the skin hydrated for longer. This synergy between vitamins and fatty acids in olive oil makes it an excellent natural moisturizer. In addition to moisturizing the skin, the antioxidants in olive oil also fight off the free radicals that speed up the aging process, helping your skin maintain its youthful glow. Regular use can reduce signs of aging and might just make those fine lines and wrinkles take a little longer to show up. Incorporating olive oil into your skincare routine is simple. You can apply a small amount directly to damp skin after a shower to lock in moisture, or mix it with your favorite body lotion for an extra hydration boost. For the face, consider using products that contain olive oil as an ingredient to avoid clogging pores, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Olive oil's blend of vitamin E, vitamin K and fatty acids provides a triple threat against dry skin, making it a must-have in your skincare arsenal. By regularly incorporating olive oil into your skincare routine, you're not just moisturizing your skin, you're nourishing it with nature's best. Olive oil is also a natural and effective makeup remover that has gained popularity for its gentle, yet powerful ability to dissolve even the most stubborn makeup, including waterproof mascara and long-wear foundation. The secret behind its efficacy lies in olive oil's lipophilic properties, which allow it to bind with the oils in makeup, effortlessly lifting them away from the skin without harsh rubbing. Unlike commercial makeup removers that can strip the skin of its natural oils, olive oil maintains the skin's moisture barrier, ensuring that the skin remains balanced and comfortable. To use, simply apply a small amount of olive oil to a cotton pad or your fingertips and gently massage it over your face in circular motions. This not only removes makeup, but also provides the added benefits of moisturizing the skin and promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. In a world where hair products are often loaded with chemicals, olive oil offers a natural, chemical-free alternative for hair care. It's gentle on the hair and scalp, making it suitable for people with sensitive skin or those looking to reduce their exposure to harsh ingredients. The antioxidants in olive oil, particularly vitamin E, play a crucial role in hair health by combating oxidative stress, which can lead to hair damage and weakness. Oleic acid has the remarkable ability to penetrate the hair shaft more effectively than other oils. This penetration is crucial for delivering moisture deep within each strand, where it's most needed. Alongside oleic acid and vitamins E, vitamin and squalene in olive oil also play pivotal roles in hair health and hydration. Beyond just hydrating, olive oil also acts as a sealant. It forms a protective layer over the hair shaft, locking in moisture that's been applied to the hair, like water or leave-in conditioners, preventing it from evaporating. This is particularly beneficial in dry climates. Regular application of olive oil to hair can strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and prevent split ends, contributing to healthier and more resilient hair. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it great for scalp care, helping to soothe irritated or inflamed scalps, reducing dandruff, and promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. A well-moisturized scalp also means the natural oils produced can more effectively lubricate the hair, contributing to overall moisture levels. Massaging olive oil into your scalp can also increase blood circulation, nourishing hair follicles and encouraging healthier hair growth. For those battling frizz and looking for that elusive shine, olive oil is a game changer. Its smoothing properties help tame frizz and flyaways, giving your hair a sleeker look. Additionally, the light-reflecting properties of olive oil can enhance your hair's natural shine, leaving it looking vibrant and healthy. For a deep conditioning treatment, warm a small amount of olive oil and apply it generously to your hair and scalp. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and let the oil sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight for intense hydration. Shampoo and condition as usual afterward. You can also add a few drops of olive oil to your regular conditioner to boost its moisturizing power. Incorporating olive oil into your hair care routine is an effective way to harness the power of this amazing oil for better hair health. Whether you're looking to moisturize your hair, soothe an irritated scalp, or simply add a natural shine to your locks, olive oil offers a versatile solution. Embrace the natural goodness of olive oil and watch your hair thrive. So, there you have it, the wonderful world of olive oil. We've learned about its myriad benefits for both skin and hair, and even walked through a practical guide on how to incorporate it into our beauty routines. Remember, when it comes to skincare, olive oil is a natural moisturizer that can rejuvenate and replenish your skin, giving you that coveted glow. It's packed with antioxidants, which can combat the signs of aging and protect your skin from harmful environmental factors. As for hair care, olive oil can help tame frizz, enhance shine, and promote a healthy scalp, leading to stronger, more vibrant locks. It's a versatile beauty tool that can be used as a deep conditioner, a detangler, or a shine-enhancing finishing touch. Next time you're dealing with dry skin or unruly hair, remember, olive oil might just be the solution you need. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to browse our other topics. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time,